Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use coordinates in Minecraft both in Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. Coordinates help you track your location, find biomes, build precisely, and even teleport. Let's get started. If you're playing on Minecraft Java Edition, using coordinates is simple. Just press the F3 key on your keyboard. This opens the debug screen where you'll see a lot of data. Look for the XYZ line. X, your position east or west. Y, your elevation, height. Z, your position north or south. This is especially useful for mining, locating structures, and building accurately. If you're on Minecraft Bedrock, mobile, console, or Windows 10, open the Settings menu, scroll down to Game Settings, toggle on Show Coordinates. Now, your XYZ position will appear in the top left corner of your screen while playing. Here's why using coordinates is so important. Easily find your base or spawn point. Know what Y level you're mining at for diamonds or netherite teleport to locations using commands like /TP at P170, -200. You can also share coordinates with friends to meet up or explore together. Want to mark a cool place? Just press F3 plus F2 in Java to take a screenshot with coordinates, or write them down to track villages, temples, or builds. And that's it. Now you know how to use coordinates in Minecraft Java and Bedrock editions to explore and build like a pro. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Minecraft tips, and comment if you want to learn teleport commands or biome locations next. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring. And happy.